Hi everyone, welcome back to TriniKidsTV, or if this is your first time, hi and welcome to Circle Time. We begin our Circles Time by singing our good morning song. So let's all sing the good morning song together. Good morning, good morning, good morning, how are you? Good morning, it's nice to see you too. Good morning, good morning, how are you? Good morning, it's nice to see you too. And a very good morning to all of our friends that are watching. Now, do we know what day it is today? Well, if yesterday was Wednesday, what comes after Wednesday, everyone? Maybe we should say the days of the week and find out. The days of the week are Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So today is Thursday because Thursday comes after Wednesday. Today is Thursday, all day long, all day long. Yes, today is a wonderful Thursday. And we are still in the month of March. Yes, can we say the months of the year? Let's go. The months of the year are January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Great job, everyone. Now, let's find out about the weather. Yes, we have to find out about the weather. It's very important. And before we do that, we need to sing our weather song. So let's sing the weather song together. What's the weather like? What's the weather like? What's the weather like today, today? What's the weather like? What's the weather like? What's the weather like today? Well, is it sunny? Is it rainy? Is it windy? Is it cloudy? What's the weather like today? Is it sunny? Is it rainy? Is it windy? Is it cloudy? What's the weather like today? Well, now my friends, we can take a look out those windows and see what kind of weather we all are having today. Well, take a look. Yes, it's a cloudy day today. And we all know what cloudy days mean, right? It can mean that the sun is just being blocked by the clouds, or it can mean that it's going to rain. But a cloudy day is a cloudy day, and it's a great day for a story. Yes, we are still talking about stories today, and we have a story for you. But we'll find out about that a little later. Now, let's find out about our color of the day. Our color of the day today is the color red. Yes, red is our color of the day. Yes, can you think of something that might be red? Well, you might have a red chair. You might have a red pillow. You might have a red book bag. There are lots of things that are red, right? There's ketchup, there's tomatoes. Lots of things are red. Now, let's find out about our shape of the day. Our shape of the day today is a semicircle. Yes, a semicircle. A semicircle is like half of a circle, or like the sun when it's about to set in the evening time. Yes, that's a semicircle. Now, let's find out about our number of the day. What is our number of the day? Well, the number of the day today is the number 4. Yes, 4 is our number of the day. What can we do to count to 4? Well, we can bunny hop 4 times. And of course, before you can do a bunny hop, you need to get yourself ready like a bunny. And then we have to count. So let's go. Ready? 1, 2, 3, and 4. Very good, everyone. That was amazing bunny hops. Yes. So we counted to 4. Now, let's find out about our letter of the day. Our letter of the day today is the letter J. Yes, J is our letter of the day. Can we think of some words that start with J? Well, there's jump. There's jam that you might put on your bread. There is also jelly. So, all those words start with the letter J. Now, our letter of the day brings us to our area of the day. Our area of the day today comes from Trinidad. So, our area of the day is called Jerningham. Yes, Jerningham starts with the letter J and it's located in central Trinidad. Now, Jerningham is a kind of busy area. There's lots of areas connected to Jerningham. Jerningham is an area that connects a lot of different areas. Yes, and there's a lot of schools and places that you can visit. So, Jerningham is a lovely area. All right, my friends, it's lesson time. And we all know that we've been talking about wonderful stories for this entire week. Don't you just love stories? Well, I do as well. And today we have an amazing story about a crab. How the crab got a crack on his back. A folktale story. In a village, there was this old lady. Nobody knew when she came, you know. Everybody knew that she was always there. People in the village were scared of her. And she only had 3 animals for her friends. Mr. Rooster, Mr. Crab, and Mr. Rabbit. Everybody else in the village afraid she. And nobody would have nothing to do with her. One day, a young lady came to the village. And the old lady came and approached her and asked her to wash clothes for her and told her how much she would get paid. She agreed. And she started washing clothes for the old lady by the river. She washed and washed and washed. Every day she would wash clothes for many weeks. When came time to get her money, the old lady refused. She was so upset. She told her, "I'm not going to pay you only unless you can guess my name." She asked around the village and nobody knew the old lady's name. Oh, the poor girl was so sad. She talked to Mr. Crab and told her about what the old lady was doing to her. Mr. Crab felt sorry for her and told the young lady her name. She was so happy. She came to the old lady's place and she was outside there counting her money, just counting her money. Then she said, "I know your name, you know." And she said her name. "Your name is Cha La 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 Sing Sing." The old lady was shocked. How did she know her name? But she was so upset she had to pay her. And finally she went to her 3 pets and asked, "Who told her my name? Is it you, Mr. Rabbit?" No, Miss Cha, I would never tell." "Is it you, Mr. Rooster?" "It's not me." "Ah, it must be Crab," the old lady thought. She went to Crab and Crab was so scared. He was trying to get to his hole when the old lady picked up a stick and whacked him on his back. And that, my friends, is how the crab got a crack on his back. The end. Yes, have you ever seen a crab before? Yes, this is what a crab looks like. These two little things they have for arms are called the gundi. 4 legs on one side and 4 legs on the other. And the crabs have eyes that stick out on the top of their heads. Isn't that interesting? So crabs are interesting creatures. And another fact about crabs, they walk sideways. Isn't that interesting? Yes, crabs walk side to side instead of front to back like you and me. So I hope you enjoyed the story, friends. All right, my friends, I hope you enjoyed our story today about the crab and how he got a crack on his back. Well, those are one of the many folktale stories we have in Trinidad and Tobago, and I hope you enjoyed our folktale story about the crab. So today for our activity time, we are going to be creating a crab. Yes, a crab like our crab in the story. We are going to create the crab using paper. So get your scissors ready, get your paper ready, and your pencils or crayons ready, and let's get crafting, friends. All right, friends, so we are going to make the crab from our story. What you would need is some red paper. Now, if you don't have red paper, you can have white paper and color it with your red crayon. All right, so Auntie has red paper, so I'm going to go ahead and use my red paper. Now, what you would need is some googly eyes. Now, of course, if you don't have a pair of googly eyes, you can draw it using your crayon or your marker. Now what you would need is two circles, one bigger one and one smaller one. So we have big and small, and we're going to use this to draw our crab's body, and we're going to use 2 of these smaller circles for the gundi of the crab. All right, so let's start by cutting out our crab. All right, so we're going to cut out 4 of the smaller circles and 1 big one, because this is going to make up the crab's body. So I'm going ahead and draw a circle around my coaster here for the body of my crab. There we go. And then I'm going to draw some circles on my paper to get the 4 circles that I need. And last one. There we go. Hope you can see that. So I have my large circle and my 4 small circles. Now I'm going to cut them out. Okay, so I'm just continue cutting out my circles here. There we go, and the last circle. Alright, so we have 4 of our circles, like our number of the day. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then we have 1 big circle for our crab. Now we can start making our crab. You can put it on a piece of paper, which is what I'm going to do. Then you just fold your first circle in half so it makes a semicircle, just like our shape of the day. All right, and we're going to do that with all the other shapes. So you're going to fold your crab in half, and then you're going to fold your other pieces as well. This is going to make the gundy of the crab. Alright, so now that we have our crab gundy all ready, we can start assembling our crab with our glue. Alright, so I have my glue here, and the first thing I'm going to do is stick the back of my crab to my paper. Alright, so I'm going to do it facing you guys. So I'm going to stick it right about here. Alright, and then the next thing you want to do is draw the little part where your eyes are going to go with your black marker or crayon, whichever you want to use. And you're also going to draw on the ends, the corners, where the gundy is going to go. And then of course you draw the 6 little crab legs, alright? So you could do it sort of like an L shape, and the same thing on the other side. Alright, so now we can add our eyes to our crab. And then we can add the gundies. Now the gundies go with the semi-circle facing either way. So we're going to put some glue, semi-circle here, one side, and put that glue on the other side. And there we have the gundy of the crab. You can have it open or you can have it closed. So I'm going to do open. There we go. And then we're going to stick the last of our gundy. Okay. There we go. Alright, so we have our crab gundy. There we go. This is our lovely crab from our story. And of course, parents, you can go ahead and let child draw a C for crab, or you can do it on another piece of paper. Alright, so if your child is old enough to write, you can let them write the word crab or have them trace it. I'm trying to write upside down. Alright, so we have crab, or they can trace the letter C's. Trace or write some C's on their paper. So this is great writing practice for your child. They can associate C with crab, C for crab. Alright? If you have a big enough paper, you can put your crab as well as your tracing or writing words on the same page. Alright my friends, I hope you enjoyed our story and our craft today, and I can't wait to see you tomorrow, where we're going to have some more fun with our characters in our stories for this week. So, see you next time friends. Bye!